Arabi from Bangladesh.
And it's great that Sheikh, your website started to working. I asked question there too.
Barakallahu feek, jazakallah khair.
Sheikh, my question is it permissible to watch motivational seminars which contains free mixing? Sometimes the cameraman shows the woman. And if not, can we hear the seminars? If sometimes the woman's voice comes, like they shout or sometimes they talk, can we watch this kind of videos? Just audios or the videos?
Okay, first of all, it is permissible to watch motivational seminars or lectures that we may benefit from them in this life or in the hereafter. Whether the presenter is a Muslim or a kafir, there's no problem in that. Now, if this seminar or lecture is presented by a male, then you have no problem. Even if the camera goes every now and then to the audience and shows random footage of women, because this is unintended. So what you do is the same what you do outside in the streets or in a mall. When a woman comes in front of you, what do? You stop going to the mall? No, you lower your gaze, you look through, you go somewhere else, no problem. And if the speaker is a female, it is not permissible for you to watch, even if she's giving an Islamic lecture. And nowadays, this is the trend. MashaAllah, some sisters come on videos and in conferences and they deliver lectures to men. And the men listen eagerly. MashaAllah, yani, with all due respect, yani, there are no men to lecture you? Only this sister? Oh, Sheikh, she has something other scholars, male scholars don't have. I betcha. Of course she does. But Islamically, this is not permissible. Men should listen to men. Now, women can listen to men and attend lectures of men, because this was the norm at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, and the fitna of men over women is far less than the fitna of women over men. So this is not permissible for you to watch motivational seminars or lectures of the opposite of women. Random laughs or sounds, again, this is not intended. You can ignore that and move on, inshaAllah.